Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Unemployment problems in India. Unemployment is the most acute problem presently facing by the Indian economy. Unemployment in rural areas. Rural sector suffers from casual unemployment, seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, chronic unemployment. Unemployment in urban area. Urban employment is the offshoot of rural unemployment, mostly suffering from cyclical unemployment, technological unemployment, frictional unemployment, structural unemployment. India is suffering from both rural and urban unemployment. Reasons for unemployment. Rapid growth of population. With a high growth rate of population, it is becoming difficult to generate employment for the million of new entrants per annum. Our economic policy fails to tackle this massive growth of production, population and generate adequate employment opportunities through optimum usage of available resources. Poverty and unemployment are two faces of same coin. A person is poor because he is unemployed and he is unemployed because he is poor. Lack of employment policy. Due to ineffective employment policy, unemployment and underemployment tends to increase. Defective education system. Unemployment among the educated is due to defective educational system. Our education system is highly academic than practical. People without practical knowledge cannot find suitable job. Use of capital intensive technology. Use of capital intensive techniques imported from Western developed countries to enhance industrial sector is also an important factor causing unemployment. Even modern small scale industries in Indian economy prefer capital intensive techniques. In agriculture, mechanization of various agricultural operations has reduced the employment augmenting effect. Slow growth of agricultural sector. Agriculture sector is slow and cannot respond to the needs of growing economy, which in turn provides only low productivity employment. Productivity in agriculture suffers due to various institutional and technological constraints. Therefore, this sector is unable to exploit fully the employment potential. Inequitable distribution of land. In India, agricultural households have no adequate access to land, an essential asset for agricultural production and employment. Subdivision of land holdings under the pressure of rapid population growth has further reduced access to land for several agricultural households. As a result, many persons who are self-employed in agriculture have become landless agricultural laborers suffering from acute unemployment and underemployment. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.